Hello, weekend crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, and it feels like forever since I last did a color recipe. And I'm seriously excited because for this weekend, I am mixing my first batch of holiday colors. This time around, I went for the timeless colors of Christmas, and I also added a little bit of shimmer to complete the Christmas feel. Let's mix bright crimson, biscay green, which is a mix of cyan and green, a rich forest green, and shimmery sand color to give balance. As always, whenever I work with clay, I try to remember to clean my work surface first. I spray my glass mat with some alcohol and then wipe it down. The constant color that we will use on all four mixes is the Sculpey Primo Accents in yellow gold glitter. For the bright crimson color, I used one part of this hot red color and half part of the yellow gold glitter. I also cut a fourth part of Sculpey Primo Accents in Twinkle Twinkle black glitter, which I will carefully add to my mix. First, I roll out my red to get it conditioned. By the way, you don't have to use Sculpey for the red. Fimo also has Indian red, and Kato carries a similar bright red color. It's only the glitter accents that need to be Sculpey because we need that bit of transparency in order not to change the color of the clay too much. Once the gold glitter and the red combine, we will add the black slowly. I cut the black portion in half and then mixed them out first. Then I added the last half once all the colors have mixed. In mixing colors, you really have to be patient because it does take a while for the colors to fully incorporate. Now we have this rich crimson color. The next color, which is biscay green, is pretty simple to make. Get something like a peacock pearl color in Sculpey or a light turquoise in Fimo. I am using approximate colors because this particular color that I have on hand is from an unbranded kit. Again, I do one part of this blue-green color and mix it with half part of yellow glitter gold. Condition these two until the glitter is evenly distributed and there are no clumps of the glitter in certain areas. As you can tell from the original color, it turns a slightly darker hue, but overall there is almost no color change, which is why I love using this gold glitter to mix with other colors. For the rich forest green, I used one part Kato in green, 1/4 part Sculpey Primo Accents in Twinkle Twinkle black glitter, and half part of Primo Accents in yellow gold glitter. There are also a lot of rich green colors in Sculpey as well as in Fimo. Mix first the green and the gold color. By the way, you can also substitute Fimo effect in glitter green here and just mix it with some black. Back to our blending of the green and gold. Just make sure that the colors are incorporated before adding the black. Next, I just cut the black in half in order for the colors to blend evenly. And now we're down to the final color, which is called shimmer sand. By the way, I put a tiny bit of Fimo in yellow, about 1/8 of a part, and mixed it with 1 part white to get this very subtle sandy color. Then I add in half part of glitter gold to make all the colors shiny. Now let's test the colors out in a slab. Since we mixed a lot of colors on this surface, we will again be cleaning our work surface first. Roll out a slab into the number 4 setting. Neaten the edges by using a tissue blade and then roll out a very thin snake for the stem. I am using large format flowers here to really see how the colors combine. Once the slab is full of the flowers, I make some small candy canes that are sprinkled across the slab. And some tiny mistletoes as well. The resulting slab is so Christmassy that it's making me smile. I made some Christmas tags with the slab and some Christmas earrings from the scraps. I hope that you enjoyed watching this holiday color mixing video. I'm on the road to my first 5,000 subscribers and I'm so close, so I hope that you can click on that subscribe button for me. It would really help my small channel out. Thanks again for watching. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!